I was curious about Quick Bite though, if that would fit, because that's kind of chunky. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is just going to be a quick one here, showing you guys this interesting 80 slot organizer I'd found for loose cars on Amazon, and it is quite interesting. It has 40 slots per each side, and it's like a throwaway cloth. That's what I call it. I don't know what the Chinese call it, but it seems pretty decent. It has a coat hanger at the top, so you can hang it. Like, I have a walk-in closet that I built a few years ago in my basement, so I bought 2 of these, and I have a bunch of loose cars that I needed to figure out how to store them. I do have some older cases as well, but they're kind of limited, so I thought you guys might like these, and it seems to be able to fit. Let's try. I have the newer whatever lunch, what is it, I forget, Quick Bait or whatever this is called, Quick Bite. I don't know why I say Quick Bait. Quick Bite. We'll see if that fits in. It fits in kind of. Yeah, it fits in like that. I don't think you're gonna get it the other way, but it seems to fit most of the vehicles. But I have a lot of loose cars, especially because of the Mailway for the 993 GT2. So I have a lot of newer cars here that are loose that I don't really know what to do with some of them. But vans seem to fit fine. There's another van. As the dogs bark in the background. Here's a large, what's this dragster called anyway? Supercharged. Let's see if that fits. It's pretty long. That fits. Put the new Volvo in there. New Z. New Mercedes. Audi wagon. And the Dimension Veloci, or I don't know, however you say that. Fictional one that's really cool. So there you go. That's what I have for now. And I think they'll be really nice, and for, like I said, I'll have to, I'm sure it won't take me long to fill up. I lost my train of thought, I'm sorry. It won't take me long to fill this up, but just thought I'd show you guys this quick. And it's like vinyl, clear vinyl, the slot pockets. And then I call this throwaway material. I don't know what I guess it's some type of recycled plastic. I had a car cover one time made out of that, and it did not last but a couple months. Absolutely did, you know, wasn't really the greatest for outdoor, but I'll put the affiliate link down below. I think these are pretty decent though for what I paid for them. I kind of was thinking I only bought 1, but 2 came in the mail, so I gotta double check on that if I actually did buy quantity of 2, or do you get 2 of them in. I think I bought 2, but they have, you know, the typical Chinese company names. Like, they just seem made up to me. Like, this one's called Heine Hole or something. I don't know, whatever. Like, I don't know what that says. Heine. But there is the part number. And like I said, I will put the affiliate link down below. I get a few pennies for things that are sold from Amazon out of my store. But anyway, so there's that. Thought you guys might like that. I think they're going to work out pretty well. So I'm pretty excited about that. So thanks for watching. This is a 3-4 minute long video. That's it. That's all I have for today for a quickie. But I was curious about Quick Bite though, if that would fit, because that's kind of chunky. And the 70s van seems to fit fine. I don't know why the dogs keep barking, but they are. So there you go. Thanks everybody for watching that. If you like it, share, like, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. That was all that fogged up my glasses. I think I just had too much iced tea. All right, have a good night. Bye now.